smoked a cigarette with her.
Why would you smoke a cigarette? You're gonna get addicted.
No, I'm not.
You don't have to. I've smoked. I've had a couple drinks.
It's just when I'm with friends, like, and they ask, I'm going to. It's fine. But I'm
Hi everyone!
okay,
Okay, your eyebrows look good, like on camera, like they look good.
I know, but in Snapchat,
no, I look like a fucking cake face right now. No, like you look like Hitler. Like, no, you're no, not Hitler. What? Like,
oh wait, Charlie Chaplin.
I need to. Yeah, like you look like. I don't know. It's like black.
I need to put on my fucking Halloween costume. This was a Halloween theme.
Yeah, let's dig in.
No! Don't fucking touch it! Wait, let me get my costume on. Oh, fuck. I'll be in there in a sec.
I ate a fry. So we got McDonald's here.
She just totally walked naked, like, in front of this camera.
Okay.
Wait, I need my bow tie, but I don't know where it is.
Jamie, are you gonna cut that out?
I went to a bookstore. I went to 3 bookstores today because I really want this book.
Oh my
And
god.
I went to the bookstore and it's really like posh in there. It looks like a library. So I was like, is this even a fucking bookstore? But I was like, is this a library?
How is a library posh?
It looks like a library. It's just like very.
Oh, I've never
modern.
been to the
Maggie,
new
could
one.
you do
Oh,
a
boy.
backflip?
Oh my god.
It was just like it was very modern in there. So I asked and I was like,
Oh my god, where did you get that?
Senza. So I asked the lady and I was like, I need to exchange it though. That's why I have to put that like in so that nothing comes onto the fabric. Cause I asked, you can exchange but you can't return them, which is so weird. It's like,
oh my god, I want one.
oh yeah. Okay. Anyway, so I finally went to this bookstore and I was confused. I thought it was a library because it just looks so expensive in there. I was like, oh my god. So I was like, this is to buy, right? I was showing her the book and she's like, well, it is a bookstore.
Oh.
Fuck you, bitch. I'm sorry, I'm stupid.
Oh.
That was so rude.
I know.
Alright, like, can you guys both be in my mukbang?
No. Yeah. You're gonna wear like shorts with that on Halloween, right?
Oh, I already asked
I
her.
haven't
She figured it out yet.
I would not go in like that.
I don't know. I was looking at
You
the
know,
photos
that's
online.
right.
No, shut up. I was looking at the photos online, and girls last year went wearing just a bodysuit. But I'm gonna wear
tights.
No, I'm gonna wear like
Yeah.
tights, but like they're fishnet.
Yeah.
So you're gonna be able to.
Oh
see
yeah,
my
you're gonna
ass.
steal mine, right?
Aw, do you have a? I want a black one like that because I want.
I didn't see any black ones, but Party
I
City might
can
have
make
them.
one.
All right. Anyway, hi. Hello everyone. So today I am doing a Halloween themed mukbang, except I'm the only one that's doing it because I'm very festive. So anyway, I'm a Playboy bunny if you can't tell. And we have McDonald's here. I haven't eaten all day, so I'm really excited to eat it because I'm really hungry. But I will first show you my full outfit.
Oh,
You guys can start. You guys a bodysuit. I have to hide this area because I haven't shaved. But this is it. I'll just do a quick little spin. I'm a Playboy bunny. I don't have my tail on because I don't know. You're not gonna really be seeing it. But anyway, yeah, that was my costume. I'm gonna wear it clubbing. So anyway, let's dig in. Thanks for bringing this food.
Yeah.
So
Quinn came over yesterday.
Yeah, I need to know about this. What the fuck happened?
What's in here? The whole time I was like, when is he gonna leave?
Really?
Oh my god.
Oh, it was
Yeah.
one of those?
Yeah. I was like, this is just.
That's not good. What do you mean, like
the
what?
sex was really.
Oh no. Like he didn't last long?
I don't want to talk about it too much on camera.
It's okay, I can cut it out.
I don't know why you like them.
I can cut
Ew, I
it out.
hate chicken nuggets.
Oh,
They
no.
taste like, I don't know, just like cardboard and.
That's what you don't do the amount. You just like to get the fucking sweet and sour sauce.
But the sweet and sour sauce tastes like fucking.
I'll eat your fries.
You can eat whatever you want.
I don't know.
No, you can talk about it. I'll just cut this part out.
Then what? Okay.
Run me through it.
We came over, we went on a walk with Alfie, like a little hike in the burn. Oh! Oh, you dropped the nugget.
up my nose. Anyway, continue.
Yeah. And it's amazing. But with Quinn, this is the second date. And I still was like, I was like, it's just, you know?
Yeah.
That's fucking nasty.
Holy shit, Danielle.
Oh my god, Jamie.
I can't get it on my body too.
Look at your fucking nasty fucking maw. Like, that's so
What's
disgusting.
a maw?
What's a maw?
I think it's a mouth, I don't know.
Maw. So your hair's like not even.
Oh no, look at
the.
I know, I saw it already.
I don't even give a fuck.
It's like not black. Oh no,
It's
that's
brown.
the extension.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Okay. Well, I'm not sorry. What happened?
More.
Because you got like.
Well, if I'm on the pill, like you had sex without a condom and not on the pill.
True.
That's bad. If I'm on the pill. Ugh.
Get on the pill. Get on the pill.
Oh, it's a bad.
Get on the pill.
So can I have your cheetah costume then?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sure. It's kind of weird looking, but maybe it'll look good on you. I don't know.
Mm,
That water is
You can
tap
have my
water.
Dwight Schrute costume.
it tastes like perfume.
Oh! You know why? Because I put my beauty blender in it to soak up the water. That's why I have it.
Ew, I drank out of that.
Oh my god, you guys!
I drank your
I
fucking
just remembered.
foundation nasty.
Yeah, not clean. Like, I used that to soak my beauty blender. And you just drank it. That's fucking great.
So I guess it's just you and me for Halloween then.
No, everyone.
Who's everyone?
Amy,
You said she's
Bran.
Oh, everyone.
Well, I don't know if Amy's like, she might back out at the last minute, but there's actually a plan now to go to her house for 4 to carve pumpkins. But like I said I would, and then after that, like I'd get ready right away.
Wait, does she watch these videos?
No. So, that was such a double Big Mac. Basically,
Are we gonna do Monopoly?
I don't go to McDonald's off video.
Should I do my eyes?
Basically, I did my makeup literally just to fuck it up by eating a Big Mac. But like, whatever.
Those
I mean-
lashes are not.
Oh no, I know. No, I can't do lashes. Like, look at this. It might look good from afar, but if you get up close.
I look better up close than I do from far away.
With lashes
I think. Just, and that's a general statement.
Well, that's my
eh?
fucking double cheeseburger, hunty.
Oh, you guys eat all the candy?
And if you're gonna eat the food and get in the video, that's why I'm doing this, to film a mukbang.
They can
Did
use
I
their
get
fucking
anything else? I didn't
imagination.
get enough food. I did not get enough food. I should have maybe got more.
You can't really call this a mukbang.
No.
I'll have a pickle.
A slut bong.
Oh my god.
Here. I'm happy with
I like the
friends,
pickles.
I'm happy with friends.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god, Jamie.
No! That was
Oh.
my heel cracking.
I look like a fucking...
Say I look like a felony.
No, I said I look like a fucking...
Probably.
like girl who's gonna like go to a 40-year-old man's house and get it going.
Literally.
Show on camera.
Get it going?
Yeah.
He looks like the babysitter that the dad, unsatisfied with his marriage, would fuck.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
Yeah.
You do?
But guess what? I'm wearing shorts. I'm a modest little thing.
Ew, there's like a rock in here.
Probably just gristle or something.
I just fucking chopped down. It was a rock.
Or a bone.
Oh.
Or a finger. Or a knuckle. It's
What?
Halloween, baby.
What? What's gristle?
It's like
You went like ew and like went like that.
gristle is
Is there
like
something on my face?
no.
Oh
It's
yeah.
the burger.
Come on, this is.
No, I'm fucking vegetarian, Jamie.
I always forget. Because sometimes you cheat and you do fucking have.
But I don't eat red meat. I don't eat chicken. Not true. You make bacon.
Okay,
at
you're
work
right.
the day.
What?
I ate bacon bits on a salad, okay? And then I had really bad
Vegetarian
BO.
my ass.
I'm just not. I don't give a fuck, okay?
I need chocolate.
Can I have your cat ears?
Mm.
Because Alfie completely chewed them.
Oh, he chewed yours?
I tried to take them away and he tried to like kill me. Like he's really vicious.
He's toy aggressive.
He's really, really aggressive. And then other times he's like, oh, look at that sweet little. I'm excited if I want to be like a lion or like a cat.
Well, the dress I'm giving you is a leopard.
Mm-hmm.
Or a cheetah or whatever.
Can you go get the ears?
Yeah.
I want them now.
I'll be back.
I'm gonna go put my pajamas on because I'm uncomfortable.
Oh my god.
Oh god. Pickles.
I feel like I need to cover myself a little bit. But no, I'm honestly wondering, like, should I wear this on Halloween? But I'm gonna exchange it
Why? It looks good.
because it's a bit big in the boob area.
A little bit.
I want it to be a little bit smaller. Aww.
I don't know.
I love those headers. $9
It's
bucks.
like mine were like same, and now they're just red.
I'm so excited for Halloween. We're going clubbing. And I'm hoping to meet my next boyfriend on the club. Wearing this.
Why'd you get a fucking large?
Good question. I don't know. I thought better get something bigger than smaller than what I need. But no, now I have to go back and get a smaller size.
Ew, what the fuck? Oh, it's just wax. Look at that. I think it's just candle wax.
What do you think it was?
Like mold.
Oh. I'm turning 20 soon. And I'm honestly really nervous about it. Last night I was literally having a hard time sleeping because I was like, oh my god, I only have a few more days to be 20.
Oh my god, it's not that big a deal.
I know, like age is just a number and everything. It's just,
I don't like that there's a lot of moisture on this.
oh, that's dirty.
That was a little bit obnoxious.
Who?
Of a laugh.
Oh, I didn't even notice. I was zoning out, like watching Maggie.
I know.
Ew, I'm disgusting. I may as well finish the burger.
Yeah. My hard-earned bunny.
You worked well?
Yeah, with Holly. That's it, just you guys? Oh.
Is Holly scary?
Yeah, a little bit. She's a little bit intimidating.
Why?
She comes off super sweet and nice, but if you do one little thing wrong, like it's
A big deal.
Yeah. It's like you can feel the anger bubbling underneath. I really don't. She's kind of like that, yeah.
Sounds kind of like my boss Jackie. Like, I don't make mistakes often.
Like I remember
But,
when I fucking made a mistake on the last Tuesday, I was like, I won't do that again. And then she's like, yeah, you said that last time.
Are you serious?
Oh.
That's mean.
Well, I turned it into a funny thing. And I was like, oh yeah, you're right. What was it?
That's actually so bitchy.
What was it?
I hate her.
So I put all the dates in the wrong day.
Oh, that's not even a big deal.
Well, what I did though was I put them in the wrong day, and then I put them in the right day. So I had the same numbers on 2 different days, and I shouldn't have done that apparently.
Mm-hmm.
So she's like, "Well, you just made it even worse."
Oh my god, she's a bitch. She comes off sweet and nice. What do you mean?
No, like she's like this old. She's not old. Like I don't even know. She's probably like
54. She
said that?
I think she's 54. She said 1965. So
You know her birth year?
I
65.
No,
Oh, that's my mom.
53. Oh wait. Yeah,
53.
Maybe she said 63. I don't know though. I think it was 65.
1963. No, she would not be 43. Or 40. I don't.
If you're born in the...
No, if you were born in
70s.
1970, you
I'll
would
be
be
in your
40.
40s right now.
I'm fucking confused. No, yeah, she would be like, oh, fuck.
My mom was born in 65.
The summer of 65.
No, 9. 69.
It's the summer of 60.
That's actually the sun.
This is disgusting.
Oh yeah. That's because my beauty blender was in.
Are we gonna end this 19?
Thanks for watching my mukbang.
Okay, I support all fetishes.
Not like a whole bunch of sauce right there. That's nasty. Go really close.
That's the life. So I hope you like my costume. Hopefully I find a husband on the night I go out wearing this.
Oh,
I will be wearing fishnet tights over top. So it'll be a little more modest. But yeah, I hope you like it. And I hope you like this mukbang. Thank you. I hope my husband does that to me. And yeah. So have a great day.
Jamie, stop!